This webBook covers the startup ecosystem and introduces the concept of ICE equaling business success. Let's look first at the ecosystem. At the heart of the Cincinnati Region ICE epicenter is the Cincinnati Region's startup ecosystem. The startup ecosystem, as described on the Centrifuge webpage, which is linked here, it gives the concept there. And in many ways, the ICE webBook has to do with connecting folks to the startup ecosystem. So what is ICE all about anyway? First of all, it seems helpful to me to think of the whole concept of startup as decomposed into three critical components: innovation, commercialization, and entrepreneurship. So if you think about it this way, then startup success lies at the intersection of these three components. All three components or elements are essential. Having just one or two is not going to cut it. So this graphic helps crystallize this thought. You have the idea of innovation, creating things that provide value; commercialization, discovering ways to monetize the value of the innovation; and finally, entrepreneurship, identifying funding sources needed for the commercialization. So you identify funding to support the commercialization, which commercializes the idea that has value, or the innovation that has value. And so the concept is then that startup success lies at the intersection of innovation, commercialization, and entrepreneurship. And I think that's a helpful way to think about it and to represent it.